Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lex. And if you're ready to get this beautiful, luxurious lock and bang style, stay tuned. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So I am starting with a head full of braids. I left out my last braid there. I'm going to be putting the She Is Bomb edge control on the parts to define each part and give it a very clean look so that I can make sure that my braids are, and my parts are looking really good. So you want to braid your hair all over in single braids. I ended up just not adding any hair. You don't need to add any hair to your natural hair for this style, like as far as braiding hair or anything like that. So just braid up your whole head and be mindful that the parts that you make are going to determine how many packs of the locks that you use. I specifically wanted to use 2 packs of locks, so I did, good spaced amounts in my hair. Alrighty, so I'm going to be using a crochet hook to actually hook the locks onto my hair. I'm going to be using the Bobbi Boss 36-inch new locks. They are already locked. They're beautiful, and I love using this brand. I'm also using the Expressions Twisted Up Springy like crochet hair. You'll see this in plenty of my videos. I love this hair. This is actually the secret to making them look super natural. And I'm just going to show you how I actually put the locks onto my hair so that I can get the process started. So each lock has a piece that you can actually stick your finger through at the top, and that's what you're going to actually hook onto your crochet hook once you get it through your hair. I'm going to be showing you here in real time how I do it. So I'm going to pin my hair up so I can show you all. And you can see my parts in the sides I did in the back. But I'm taking a crochet hook and I'm going to be putting it through my hair, and then I'm going to be attaching the lock to the hook at the end of that crochet hook. Then I'm going to be closing the latch down on that crochet hook and pulling that lock through my hair. And once I pull that lock through my hair, I'm going to pull my braid of my natural hair through the same opening so that it will not go anywhere. And I'm going to repeat this step for you to show you all just basically what I'm doing and how I'm getting the locks on the hair. But that's pretty much it on how you attach the lock to your natural hair. So now that the locks are attached to my hair, I'm going to be showing you with the Expressions hair how I actually wrap it around. So I'm just going to be taking pieces out of the Expressions hair. You don't need that whole piece to cover your lock. You actually want to make sure it's thin so that you can, so it can match with the consistency of the lock that's on there. So you're just going to stretch it out a little bit, fluff it. And you're going to take a piece that's the length of your braid and put that piece next to your braid so that it can be covered. and start wrapping the crochet hair around the braid and the lock at the same time. And you're just gonna keep wrapping it. And you don't have to seal it or anything like that because of the texture of this hair. You could do a palm roll and it'll be on securely. So you just see me wrapping the hair down, and I also have a very detailed faux loc video. I will put the link in this video if you want to go and see how to do a more detailed faux loc video. Faux loc style. So pretty much that's all that you have to do to get this look, is just attach locks and wrap them around after you braid your hair. I'm just gonna show you a closer up view of me doing exactly what I just explained in the previous scenes. If you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to my channel and drop a like and a comment down below for me, please. Alright, so with creating the bangs, I tried two different methods. The first method, I tried just wrapping the crochet hair around my braids. And it came out nice and natural. It was just a little bit thin. So, it's just up to you. I'm going to show you both ways that I wrapped it around. And you can see this is the first way I tried because this was my first time trying this style. So the second way that I did the bangs were to actually attach the lock on and then wrap the hair around and just keep cutting the lock as I wanted to add more bang, if that makes sense. I liked both ways, but for this look, I appreciated the second way a little bit better because it was the same size as the other locks, and they were both simple and easy. So it's just up to you which one you want to use, but I prefer the second way for this style. And it's also still the same process. You're just cutting the lock shorter. And also, if you have longer hair than me in the front of your head, you can also use a rubber band to tie your hair to the length that you want it before you actually wrap it with the lock, so you can have this bang effect as well. Guys, this style is super easy to achieve, and it's already soft when you first get it, which if you get locks a lot, you'll know that is not something you can always achieve, and it looks very natural. It's giving goddess vibes. It's giving under the sea. I don't know. But thank you all for watching this video. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I ask that you subscribe to my channel if you like my content, like this video, and also drop a comment down below. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to be updated when I post, as I will be posting lots of new content for you all. Thank you again. Bye.